Have you been trying and failing to make money online? Or maybe you've tried, but you're not making as much as you want. I am here to tell you that probably the easiest way to make serious money online is by taking advantage of somebody else's hard work. And I've got something to tell you that is going to blow your mind today. I'm going to tell you all about it coming right up. I'm going to review the instant swipe file from Matt Basak. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am with every few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the depth, I'm way from not new. You know the drill by now. Go ahead and feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes, well, they can be as stale as well. They're just stale. There's just no two ways about it. Okay, seriously, they just are. All right, and yeah, they're bad. They're really bad. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is do things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? I might ask. Well, it's very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Okay, seriously, Newman. Okay, enough. Don't get started. Okay. Anyhow, seriously, if you are new to the channel, but the way these work, if I like a project, we'll give a tip and hands product care. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do live videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz, she's a sweetheart. I can't get angry at this lady. You know, she's also a fellow New Yorker, just like Newman, although Newman, who likes Newman? The guy steals mail, seriously. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for the instant swipe file from Matt Basak, and you can see here the kind of numbers that Matt has been making from using this stuff. You know, literally millions upon millions of dollars. Okay, basically, these are all the emails that he's ever written. I'm going to show you some samples of them because I actually purchased this the last time we did this. Now, this is a new version where he's updated it with even more. I think I have about 5,200. He's now about 5,600. But it's still a massive swipe file. And I'm going to show you actually in just a moment exactly what to do in order to really make this stuff useful. I'm going to do it right here live with you on screen. We're going to do this together. Before I get to that, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus. I just licensed over 40 fresh video courses. These are not, you know, but the PDFs that a lot of people give away that I've given away in the past. These are actually video courses, like high-end video courses, where it's a complete course with a number of videos, and you actually have the right to sell these, give this away, use them as a bonus. Okay, there's nearly 20 gigabytes worth of content available that I'm going to be giving to you completely, totally for free when you pick this up from me. And I want to show you, by the way, the price of this thing. It is going up. When I first found this was $7, now $7.71. That's still an insane price. It does go up with every couple of purchases. So do not wait to pick this up because it will go up a lot more. And Matt's stuff does sell very quickly. Now, here's the thing about doing this stuff. You really do need to use this stuff. Oh, and if you pick up any upgrade, by the way, from me, then I'm going to give you the entire Sean Mize collection as well. That is a selection of courses from one of the top names in the industry. And you get to sell them, give them away, use them as a bonus as well. And I have a massive mega pack of Sean Mize courses that you're going to be able to give away, sell you as a bonus. And again, you're talking about $7 and change. Okay, what can you buy for $7 these days? Pretty much nothing. Okay, I mean, like a cup of coffee is going to, and a donut is going to cost you more than $7 and change these days, especially with inflation being what it is. So this is truly one of the world's biggest bargains that there is. Now, I do want to show you real quick. So basically, you're just going to get like a download like this, where it's going to be a sampling of all of his different emails with the titles that he's used. So what we're going to do is this. I'm actually going to show you right now what to do. So let's go pick something at random. I have not planned this in advance, exactly what we're doing. You're going to see me pick something at random over here. And we're just going to go ahead and pick something, and we're going to edit it together. Okay. And the reason I'm going to do this, excuse me, the reason I want to do this, I want to show you exactly why this is valuable, because a lot of people see these things, they think you should just use them the way they are, and people don't understand what to do with it. So I want to show you exactly what you would do with this stuff. So here, this one sounds interesting, traffic tip. Let's see what this is. I don't know, I haven't opened this up. Okay, got another cool tip that will bring you traffic on complete autopilot potentially for years. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to show you live exactly what I would do with this stuff. Go right here to a notepad. I'm going to paste this right in here. Okay, you can see that I'm actually doing this live as I'm speaking. This is not pre-planned. I just randomly chose something. So traffic tip, this works like crazy. Okay, this is subject, the subject line. Now, what I would do is like this. I personally, what I like to do is I actually like to go ahead and edit the headline as well as edit the actual text. So I'm not sure if I necessarily do the word traffic tip there, maybe just traffic. And this works like gangbusters maybe. You know, you can play around with this, whatever you like. My point is that as you're doing this, it doesn't take a long time to edit these things. Okay, so here, check this out. Now, this part we can delete. Obviously, this is just the heading. Okay. I got another cool traffic tip that will bring you traffic on complete autopilot, potentially for years. Now, I would go ahead and make this into italics, perhaps. Okay. Now, I like to answer questions. I would write, what if you could do the work once and then keep seeing traffic for years to come? Now, what did I just do? I basically took Matt's exact text. Let me go ahead and get it back for you. Okay, you do the work once and turn on the machine and let it work for you 24/7, 365 a year. Okay, so what if you could do the work once and let it keep going every day for years? Okay, so what did I just do? Basically, all I've done is taken Matt's text and rewritten it in my own words. And you can see this literally just takes a few minutes. You don't have to edit every single thing. You create a basic product on an in-demand topic in your niche and turn it into a PDF. All right. And what you can do is like this, since you already are going to get a whole bunch of content from me, you grab a product in your niche, which you can get free from me, and you release it for free. Okay, write a sales letter and create a simple download page that all that's to do is edit it with their name, order link, and download link and upload it. Okay, so again, all you're doing is just telling people what to do. Okay, here's why this works. Okay, include transferable master resale rights. Now, again, a lot of the content you're going to be getting, you're going to be able to do this also. You have to check the licenses. Some of them do allow you to do this, some of them don't. All right. And again, you can just go through this text and just, you know, randomly change a few things. Okay. You can change a few things here and there and actually go ahead and put these into your own autoresponder. It takes, you can see that I'm doing this as I'm speaking, and you can see it takes just a couple of minutes. I don't want to sit there, you know, while you watch me do this, but you can see this took what, a few seconds to do a couple of things. Okay. Do you understand now just how insanely powerful This truly is. Okay, again, all I'm doing is taking his words and just changing the text slightly and rewriting them. That's really all you got to do with these things. And again, you are getting, let's see, right now I have 5,421. He's since updated 5,603, so nearly 200 more than I got when I bought it. And I actually spent a lot more than $7, by the way, when I bought it. Okay, I got in late when he did it. So you're actually getting more than that. And you're able to use every single one of these emails and just rewrite them, stick them in, and then you're going to get over 40 video courses that you can sell, give away, use as bonuses. And you're going to be able to use these things to actually start building up your business. And again, we're talking about $7 and change here right now. Okay, pick it up from me. You're going to get these 40 courses. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you the entire Sean Mize collection with resale rights as well. So you're going to have a really, really valuable bonus package that you can sell, give away, use as a bonus. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Master Product Creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you demand. I love this. You know, whenever I can get quality emails written by somebody who knows what they're doing, that's what I want. I want to grab them. I want to use them. Grab this. You're going to love it.